time is it? 4:30?
Mountain time.
So we've been on the road for 10 hours now. Started in Iowa City. We just made it through Cheyenne.
That's Wyoming.
Yeah, we're in Wyoming.
For those that,
To the lay person.
yeah, haven't looked at
Going to a place,
geographical maps since elementary school.
going to a place called Rawlins. Oh, there's some pronghorn right there.
Oh, look at that. Antelope,
Antelope.
speed goat,
Yeah.
a lot of different names.
So yeah, we got like 5 hours tomorrow.
We can start seeing the mountains and the skyline out there. So finally out of the flat western plains of Nebraska. That
Yeah.
got boring after a while.
State sucked. Made it. Alright, 30 yards, got full gear on right now. Still windy.
We got crosswind.
Still getting blown all over the place. Get stung in the face here.
Day 1, 7:30. We've hiked, what, about a mile? Yeah. Dylan, our guide, he's got us in a pretty good spot where they're gonna either go over that canyon or that canyon. And then we got a bedding area right near. So we're just kind of waiting them out right now to see if we can catch them going back to bed. Hopefully we get lucky. See that 370? 370, yeah.
Alright, haven't had much service since day 1. Got into an elk, chased it for a while that night, just one. So the first day we saw 3. Yesterday was a real long day, got up at 4. Didn't get home till 10:30, saw about 30 elk. Had cow elks and calves at about 6 yards. This morning we got into another herd. Again, calves at 3 yards, but no shooter bull yet. So hoping for tonight.
Well, we got into ton of vehicles this morning. And we chased them for a while. this bull had his shot. I held full draw for what seemed like forever. I had to put a second one in him because the first one was a little bit far back. But it's, oh, the monkey's off the back. What a relief. It's right there. All right. That's a cool bull.
Sports Center.
Four by five?
4x5.
I'll take it. Absolutely awesome. Got a lighted knot that he broke right here.
Yeah, make sure the broadheads.
That's cool.
It's really cool when you do that.
Yeah.
Really cool looking. Yeah, I could see that crown right there. He was coming in.
Young bull. He was at 52 yards with the second one. Put it right there.
There's the
Dropped in first.
second. Pro tip on how to be a man: shoot an elk and then pack it out of a hellhole. It's thick. It's nasty.
How many miles it got?
What?
To that trailhead.
I didn't even look at that.
We're doing it.
Drop a pin.
Whew. All right, Matt. How you feeling?
All right.
What'd you learn about your gear? Would you recommend this to others?
I lost 3 arrows. And they were the good ones.
You lost them?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, Buck.
It's all right.
How you doing, Dylan?
Peachy.
Baby, how you feeling?
All right, I'm gonna put my pack up against this hill. Well, we're watching the footage.
We just got back from packing out this elk. It was about a mile of deadfall, and I fell over a few times.
How heavy you think your pack was?
Oh,
100 plus?
100 plus, easily.
Where'd you all live in there?
I had a hind quarter and the skull. We're gonna take a pull of some Captain. Hopefully it's not too warm. Hopefully I don't throw up.
We got
from
that in
being-
Scotland.
being out of breath.
We're all dehydrated, cramping out of, how's it taste for the first archery bull?
It'd be better with Pepsi. But it's not terrible.
Well, cheers. Well, let me get my headlamp off. All right, that was epic. In other words, proud of Matt. It was awesome. I was shaking like a leaf. I was so excited after. It was so cool. Cheers.
It tastes good. It just stings a little bit.
Reminds me of like college days. Like a war of just, oh. Yeah. Awesome. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video.
Make sure you like and subscribe. That's what they always say at the end.
No, yeah, what I want to say at the end though is I want to give a big shout out to Nicole and Lindsay, our wives, for staying at home with the kids and letting us do this, chase our dreams.
Absolutely.
Couldn't do it without you.
Love you guys. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Oh, you just know.
So I'm like, that would be our luck, and then we have 4 girls.
All cooled down, ready to take it to processor.